these are the materials that I use. This is the canvas board that I got from Michael's for about $7. This is gold foil paper that I also got from Michael's. The other things you'll need is napkins, the paint colors of your choice, and also just a set of gloves. And I also found something really cool at Walmart. It's a do-it-yourself canvas kit that already comes with everything that you need. The paint, the canvas board, and also the full leaf paper. This is just me starting putting out my base color, the main color that I really want to show up. And I'm just putting it across the board, spreading it out as much as I can. I don't want it to be too much, so you can see that I do a line and skip a line and do a little bit more, just so it can have that touch of pink. I didn't want to just go off and just start adding all the colors or whatnot, because I do want it to be mainly pink with a touch of gold and black and white or whatever. So that's why I chose to do it this way. So, it's all about the way that you want it to look. You don't necessarily have to follow these exact steps, but I like, that I started it this way. Next, I'm just gonna apply blocks of paint everywhere just so I can get it all mixed in. And then I took my paper towel and I just swiped across. You don't want to do it too much or too hard, because you don't want to mix everything in where everything starts blending and turning brown. So that's why I just swipe and then go to the next space and then swipe. And I also went back and added a few more drops of paint because I felt like it was missing some paint at some spaces. I kind of felt like I didn't add enough, like the drops of paint that I did should have been a lot bigger or a lot more, so I won't have to go back and add it. But it all turned out pretty good anyway. Last step, you see me just adding foil paper all over. I did big chunks of the foil leaf at first, and then I went back and just added little specks here and there. I didn't want to put too much because I didn't want it to overcrowd the painting. So I just did a little bit here at a time. And you look at it and make sure there's not no gaps or anything that you missed or somewhere you want to put something else. So it's just all your choice. I've seen someone else do one and they just put the gold in the spaces where they had gold painted. So it's just all up to you. And here it is, all finished. Comment down below if you like it upways or sideways. I think I like it sideways. I'm going to keep it this way. And it also matches perfectly with the other picture that I have on my wall. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.